What's up, YouTube? Oops. Time to take the ST out to a car meet. I haven't been to a car meet in a while, so we got one over here in Arlington. Just clean the car up a little bit. I'm gonna try to take it out there and see what's out there. Give you guys a quick walk around of the car again, all cleaned up. Maybe some people on the channel haven't seen it. I got a lot of videos on that Dodge Ram that I posted, which is pretty crazy. But I need to reach 1,000 subscribers. I need more subscribers, so I gotta post more or do some more content. I just need to know what you guys want to see. But I'm taking the ST out there. We're gonna see if we get some looks, some likes. I got some people actually interested in buying this car for the right price. I mean, it'll go. Then I'll have something new for the channel. But until then, getting ready to head out there. So I'll see you guys out there when we get to the car meet. Stay safe. Just made it to the meet. Been a while, but it's all right out here. Let me show you guys what we got out here. Got a good little setup out. This is a meet over here at Tokyo Restaurant or something like that. It's a big parking lot. It's not too bad out here. Everything's okay. Got the Genie right next to us. You know, you gotta keep the Glock in the car just in case. You never know what's going on out here at these car meets nowadays. But we're gonna get out and look at some cars and probably catch some footage for you guys. All right. YouTube channel too, so if it is, they can see it. I think I see the guy too.
You like my chicken, dude?
Yeah, got the. You know, it's the old Genie. We got some new tail lights on it. Looks good though.
I know, I broke it.
You did anything else to it? God. Old Genesis over here. And my old Genesis. Ooh, I need right here. Ah, the motor kind of killed it. I wish we had like a turbo setup or something. Rash your car, and they want to look all at the rash on your wheels. Boy, they back there checking out that rash. Damn. It's all right for, I guess, you know, first meet in a while. It's a good spot. Like, look at the space. We just don't have enough cars to fill it in. All that space. Hey, for the YouTube channel. My car is right here. Oh. When you think your shit clean, but it's all rashed the fuck up. I guarantee you they went over here and they went right over here. They went right over here and looked right at your damn wheels. Boy. Cheese graters.
They supposed to do that.
Yeah, cheese graters. But yep, ST looking clean. I heard the car meet. Then we had a guy come park next to us, taking pictures. He lives in our area. He's in your crew now since he got the same color banner as you. There's a good amount of people out here, I guess. Well, it's dark now. Meet was pretty cool. There was literally a guy who would park next to cars, do like this with his car, take a picture, and then drive to another car and take another picture like that with everybody. He parked next to our cars, took a picture, and then left. But it was pretty cool coming out to our first car meet. There's actually more cars pulling in now, but I've already decided to get in the car and leave. Okay. Make sure you leave a like and subscribe. I got more content coming. I just wanted to post a quick video for you guys, a quick update. I will be doing more reviews and stuff. But alright. That's crazy. That's my old car, man. I've had so many cars, guys. I see my old cars everywhere. But alright, guys. Take care.